In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Chrome not saving passwords step by step in a way that is simple, fast, and easy to follow. This is a really common issue, and it can happen for a few different reasons, like password saving being turned off, a website being added to the never saved list, or corrupted cache and cookies interfering with Chrome's behavior. So if Chrome is not asking to save your passwords, or if it used to work and suddenly stopped, this guide should help you get it working again. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dots menu. Click on that menu, and from the drop-down list, select Settings. This is where we can check the browser options that control password saving. Now in the Settings menu, look at the left-hand sidebar. Find the section called Autofill and Passwords and click on it. After that, click Google Password Manager. This is the area where Chrome manages your saved passwords, password suggestions, and saving settings. If Chrome is not saving passwords properly, this is one of the first places you should check. Inside Password Manager, look for the Settings option. Click it, and then make sure Offer to Save Passwords is turned on. This option is very important because if it's off, Chrome will not prompt you to save login details when you sign into a website. Also turn on Sign In automatically if that option is available to you. That allows Chrome to help sign you in faster when your credentials are already saved. Once both of these are enabled, Chrome should start asking to save passwords again when you log into sites. If Chrome still isn't saving passwords, the next thing to check is the Decline Sites and Apps section. Scroll down until you find it. This area contains websites that you previously told Chrome not to save passwords for. If a website is listed there, Chrome will ignore password prompts for that site, even if everything else is set correctly. To fix that, click the X next to the website to remove it from the list. Once you do that, Chrome can ask to save passwords for that site again the next time you log in. If you've checked those settings and it still doesn't work, the next step is to clear Chrome's cache and cookies. Sometimes old browser data can cause strange problems, including password saving not working properly. To do this quickly, press Ctrl, Shift, and the Delete at the same time on your keyboard. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Make sure you select cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. Then click Delete Data. This may sign you out of some websites, but it can also remove corrupted browser data that's interfering with Chrome's password manager. After clearing the cache and cookies, restart Chrome and test again by logging into a website you use regularly. Chrome should now show the prompt to save your password. If it does, choose Save, and that should confirm the issue is fixed. If it still doesn't appear, double check that you are signed into Chrome with the correct Google account, because password syncing and saving can depend on that account connection. So to quickly recap, if Chrome is not saving passwords, open Chrome Settings, go to Autofill and Passwords, open Google Password Manager, turn on Offer to save passwords and sign in automatically, remove any websites from Decline Sites and Apps, and then clear your cache and cookies. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.